If you are here to buy into our 3-bedroom semi-detached, our 3-bedroom terraces, and our 2-bedroom terraces here in Capital Garden Estates, these units are selling out fast. If you've shown interest in any of these units, you better call me on the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen. Hello smart investors, my name is John of Johnny Homes Realty, and today I'm at Capital Gardens Estates to give you the latest site updates and also remind you that units here are selling out fast. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to tap on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. For my first time viewers, if you are in the market and you need a 3-bedroom terrace duplex, a 2-bedroom terrace duplex that comes with a BQ, or a 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex facing the Lekki Expressway here in Idera scheme, Eleko, Lagos, you need to watch this video till the very end. But before you do that, tap on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. Smart investors, as I got to site today, I realized that more units of our 3-bedroom semi-detached are coming up. You know that in this estate we have unit types. We have 3-bed terrace going for 85 million naira with a 12 months payment plan. We have a 2-bed terrace going for 74.5 million naira with a 12 months payment plan, and we have a 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex going for 99.8 million naira with a 12 months payment plan. And guess what? If you want to key into any of these units, all it takes you is a 30% down payment and you spread your balance across 12 months. Now smart investors, we have a couple of units coming up. I got to where we are putting up more foundation. I'm going to take us there when I flip the camera, but just want to inform you that work is in progress and more units are coming up. Don't miss out on this estate. This is the best estate as far as Idera scheme is concerned. Capital Gardens stands out as one estate that you need to buy into, whether you are buying for rental purpose, whether you are buying to live in it, whether you are even buying to resell. This is the perfect estate that you need to buy into. So now I'm going to flip the camera and we'll tour the estate together. Okay, I will see you shortly. Welcome back viewers, this is me at the terrace section and I want to show you what is going on this side before I take us to the semi-detached section. These are 3-bedroom terraces and behind it we have the 2-bed. You are very much familiar with that. Today I'm not going to be doing so much, okay? So I'm just going to take us to where we have more units coming up, okay? Coming into the estate, I realized that close to the estate gate we have more units that are about to come up. I'm going to be showing that to us as well. Then after that, I'm going to take us to the section of the 3-bedroom semi-detached so that I'll show you what is going on in there, okay? So these are more units coming up and these are foundation of more units coming up. Smart investors, remember that in this estate we already have a functioning gym. I will try to visit that place so that I'll show it to you once again. In as much as I have a video that I captured the gym, I'll try to do that again today. And today I'm going to be moving into the sample units of the 3-bed semi-detached, okay? I have moved into the sample units of the 3-bed terrace. Smart investors, if you need to know what the sample units of the 3-bedroom terrace, like these terraces, if you want to see what the inside looks like, do well to request for that by sending me a WhatsApp message and I'll share that with you, because I am not going to be going into the units today, okay? But today I want to move into the semi-detached sample unit once again, okay? So this is what we have going on in here. After we are done with this section, we'll get to the semi-detached area. You can see what is going on in here. Smart investors, I want to zoom in. See, that's the Lekki Expressway, okay? And this is Capital Gardens. I'm currently standing on a decking, okay? You can see that we have casted this one I'm standing on, and currently we are doing that. Very soon that one will look exactly like this one, and we'll put up more block so that they will all have the same level as this. So this is the site update in here in Capital Gardens, and this location are the terrace location. So like I told you earlier, more units of the terraces are coming up, and you can see that for yourself in this video. So in order not to miss out on this beautiful project, in order not to miss out on this estate, call me on the number displayed on your screen so that we can secure either the 2-bed terrace, the 3-bed terrace, or the 3-bed semi-detached in here in Capital Gardens. Okay, let's get to the semi-detached section. Smart investors, so we are here. Remember that I mentioned that while I was coming in, I noticed that we are about to put up more units close to the gate. So if you are wondering what we want to do here, these are more buildings coming up in here in Capital Gardens. Let me take us to the gym quickly before we get to the semi-detached section. Okay, so this is the gym. This is the gym, fully equipped. So you see. So let me take us to the semi-detached section. So over here we are going to put up more buildings. Okay, so let's get to the semi-detached section. Don't forget to tap on your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. This is Capital Gardens, Capital Lofts, 3-bedroom semi-detached, Capital Terraces, 3-bed terrace, and a 2-bed terrace. It's a very large estate, and as far as Idera scheme is concerned, this is where you need to buy into. More construction coming up here very soon. Hopefully in my next visit we'll get to see the level at which it has gotten to. So smart investors, we are here at the 3-bed semi-detached, and I'm about to take you into our sample units. So let's go inside the sample units. So smart investors, this is what the 3-bedroom sample units looks like. Okay, the furnitures are not coming with this 3-bed, please. This 3-bed comes empty. This is a sample unit to show you what your 3-bed would look like after you have done your interior. Okay, it won't come with the furnitures. Okay, so let's keep going. You can set up your dining to be this way. Of course, it's an open plan kitchen. So this is your kitchen. These are your kitchen cabinets. Okay, please, the kitchen does not come with the washing machine, neither does it come with the standing fridge. This kitchen comes with the cabinets, the heat extractor, and the burner. These are just the 2 things you will see. These 2 things, please. So let's get to the visitors room. So downstairs we have a room. This is it. Of course, the wardrobe is going to be there. The bed frame, the mattress won't be there. The curtains, they won't be there. And this is your toilet and bath. Okay, so let's get upstairs. I forgot to show you the visitors toilet, so sorry. So this is the visitors toilet. Let's go upstairs. So this is what the sample unit here looks like. For you that have been looking for a sample unit of the 3-bed, you've been on the lookout. What does the 3-bed looks like? Please, this is what it looks like. This is the family lounge. You can chill here with your family. Okay, let me give you another angle. Moving out of the family lounge, you get to see the master's bed with this big wardrobe. Okay, and this toilet, toilet seat, and this. So from here, we'll move to the 3rd room, which also comes with a wardrobe. Doesn't come with the bed frame and the mattress. Okay, and this. So smart investors, this is a semi-detached duplex, a 3-bed semi-detached duplex sample unit, the capital loft. Let's get outside and see the exterior, and I would also take you to where more foundations are coming up. Okay, welcome back viewers. That's the sample units. Let's see what road 2 looks like. Let me take us to that, but currently this is road 1 and this is what is going on here. Okay, so let's get to the road 2. Smart investors, this is road 2, still 3-bed semi-detached duplex. This is it. Let's keep going. So smart investors, currently we have more than 60 units of this 3-bedroom semi-detached already standing in here in Capital Gardens Estate. Don't miss out on this project, and we have more units coming up. Okay, we've actually allocated some units to our clients that already made their payment on 100%. So be rest assured that once you make your payment, you are going to get your house allocation. Okay, what secures you a unit here is a 30% down payment, and you spread your balance across 12 months. A unit of a 3-bedroom semi-detached is going for 99.8 million naira. Okay, a unit of a 3-bedroom terrace is going for 85 million naira. Okay, and we also have 2-bedroom terrace with a BQ selling in here. Whichever one you want to buy into, do well to contact Joan on the number displayed on your screen. This is what is going on here. These are more units of our detached duplexes. Well done. Drainage system construction is also ongoing. So smart investors, Capital Loft and Capital Terraces is here for you to take advantage of. If you need a 3-bedroom semi-detached, a 2-bedroom terrace duplex and a 3-bedroom terrace duplex, do well to buy into this project. Smart investors, so that is it for today's site updates on Capital Garden Estate. You have seen that we have more building construction ongoing in here. Our 3-bedroom semi-detached is still selling at 99.8 million naira. Our 2-bedroom terrace is still selling at 74.5 million naira. Our 3-bed terrace is still selling at 85 million naira. With a 30% down payment, and you get to spread your balance across 12 months. Smart investors, this is the perfect estate in Idera scheme. Facing the Lekki Expressway, this estate is going to be flood free. You saw the amount of drainage system in here. We are not here to play. Mind you, more than 60 units of this semi-detached duplex are already standing, and we have actually done allocation to our early investors, people that joined us when we started off on this journey. So if you're still interested in buying into this project, call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day. Joanne of Johnny Homes Realty. Till next time. Bye.